What if I told you that you can click a button, copy a video, and instantly earn $50 to $200? Would you believe me? Additionally, the best part about this is that it can be repeated again and again. If you follow my instructions, you'll be able to earn hundreds of dollars in a matter of minutes. Real money is being made by people from all over the world with one click of the mouse. Absolute beginners seeking immediate monetary gain over the internet will find the process exceedingly simple. And don't worry, you won't have to spend a penny on this strategy. We don't charge a dime for this. Consider what it would be like to have an extra $500 in your account balance every day. What kind of impact would that have on your life? And how would you spend that money? The money might be spent on anything from a new house or a car or vacation and gifts for individuals you care about and love. There's so many choices and it all begins in this video, of course. Make sure you don't miss any key steps, extra tips, and critical mistakes to avoid so that you may properly cash out your winnings. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start up. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. In order to begin, I'd like you to watch this Facebook video. Facebook has a lot of videos to choose from and will utilize them just like this to make a lot of money on the internet. Now the first website that I'll be introducing to you is called MotionDen. Type this in your browser search box and hit enter. It is simple to produce intros, slideshows, video advertising, real estate video listing, and other animated videos with MotionDen, which is a web-based animated video maker that does not require the use of expensive designers or difficult tools. One of the best things about this website is that it eliminates all of the difficulty by allowing you to produce and download amazing videos by just selecting from hundreds of award-winning templates videos. As you scroll further through the webpage, you can see that they offer all kinds of templates depending on the reason or occasion of your video. They have templates for wedding videos, YouTube videos, or even Facebook ad videos. There are really a lot to choose from. To start using this website, we must first create an account. Click the Get Started button located on the upper right side of the homepage. You will be redirected to this new page, and here you will have the option to create an account using your Google account, your Facebook account, or your personal email. Just click on your preferred use. For now, I will choose Sign Up with Email. You will be required to put in your first name, your last name, and email address, and your password. Afterwards, click the Sign Up button. Once you have logged in to your account, you can find a lot of templates that are available for usage. For now, we will be using templates for Facebook videos. Right now, I'd like you to click on this Facebook icon that's located right here next to the MotionDen search bar. You will then be presented with a large number of professional-looking templates that are suitable for Facebook videos. All that remains is for you to select the one that has piqued your interest and then click on it. After that, click on the Edit This Video button that is located right here on this page. After that, you'll be taken to a page that looks something like this. The website, on the other hand, will provide you with a brief tutorial on how to modify these templates. Just make sure you do everything correctly. As you can see here, you will have the option of including audio, changing the photos, and even adding text. And then when you're finished, simply click on the Make Video button, which can be found on the upper right hand side of the page. Motion then makes video editing a breeze, and thanks to its user-friendly system, you can make more videos using different templates that are available. And then just save all the videos because the next website is where we will be making money. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. And the next website that I'll be introducing to you is quickandgigs.com. Type this in your browser search bar and then click enter. Quick and Gigs is an online marketplace for freelance services. From anywhere in the world, you may identify and hire highly qualified and talented freelancers. This will ensure that your project is completed to the high standard by a team of professionals in programming and technology, graphics and design, video and animation, and many other fields. Now I want you to scroll down further on the web page, and then I want you to click on the video and animation button. You will then be brought to this page where you can find a lot of people uploading and sharing some videos and then earning from it. The next steps are very important. On the left side section, you can see that there are many different categories on videos and animations. Now I want you to go down below and look for this link right here, which is a short video ads, and I want you to click on this link. As you can see, freelancers are offering customers the opportunity to have videos created specifically for them. They also charge between $20 and $50 for their services. Consider how much money you could make if you charge this much for your service, and we're able to accommodate hundreds of clients. That would be a significant amount of money generated, and many people are able to use this strategy and earn loads. To start, I want you to click on the register button found on the upper right side of the website. You will be required to type in your username, your email address, your user type, and password. For user type, you can choose between buyer or seller. But now we will use the seller options because we will be selling our video editing services. You will also be asked to put in your contact information, your contact number, and your company if you have any. And then click the register button once you are done. And now you may start making offers to customers and meeting their requests. You can repeat this process continuously and make even more money. Now, as a bonus, check out this software, which is referred to as Browse and Bank, which I strongly encourage you to do. It is the world's first system that compensates you for your web browsing activity. This is a far more simple approach of earning quick money online. It doesn't matter if you're just browsing through your Facebook timeline or binge watching videos from TikTok, this company will compensate you for your time and effort. To find out more, simply explore through the website. And that is all there is to it. To earn more money, just keep editing videos and selling your services, and you will see a significant improvement in the quality of your life. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you in the next video.